As extreme temperature records are broken around the world every single year, a new project has been launched today talking about heat waves. So let's find out a bit more about it from Hannah Mallinson, who's from the Royal Meteorological Society, and Mike Sharples from the Open University. Now Hannah, if I may start with you, what is this project all about?
So this is a collaboration between the Open University, Royal Meteorological Society and the BBC, and it's basically a citizen science project that is aimed at everyone of all ages around the UK. And during today and over the weekend, when we're seeing these temperatures in the high 20s, early 30s, we want you and the members of the public at home to tell us how hot it is where they are, both indoors and outdoors, and also how they feel and cope in hot weather, so that we can look at people's experiences around the world, around the UK, and how the factors that contribute to that, basically.
So why should people take part?
So there's two main reasons. Firstly, you can get involved and learn how to take temperature measurements. But secondly, this is a great opportunity for the public to help scientists understand how people's experience of heat waves change depending on where they live and where they work, and how they can change their routine. Now, under climate change, we know that heat waves are becoming more common and those extreme temperatures are becoming hotter. And so this is a great opportunity for the public to think about the heat they experience today and then think about that occurring more often and being even hotter. How can they adapt their routines to manage their comfort?
How long does the project last for?
So this project is a year-long project, so we're hoping that we can do initial analysis in the autumn of this year and then build on the data through next year, and the results will be published widely to the members of the public, and we're hoping that we can help people better plan and prepare for future heat waves and perhaps inform policy.
Mike, what is the Open University's involvement in this?
At the Open University, we've developed a new platform called Enquire, which is for people to do citizen science, to take part in mass experiments, to record data, to give their experiences. And so we're offering the platform for this project.
And it's broken down into 3 areas. What are they?
Well, we want people to do 3 things, 3 tasks. Firstly, to record the temperature outside, to record the temperature inside, and to answer a few questions about how you cope with heat waves. And we'd like you to do it at the hottest part of the day, between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's very easy to do. You just go onto a tablet, a mobile phone, desktop computer. You go to rmets.org, and there'll be a link through to our site from that. So please take part. We want as many people as possible to get involved.